Hello and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Hama 7020 watch, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application on the phone that is paired with your watch. So let's get started. So of course, for this to work, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Hama Fitmove application, and once the devices are paired together, we can open the Hama Fitmove application, tap on device, and here you should see your smartwatch 7020. Tap on it right here. It will open the device management page, and here we have device reset to factory defaults. Select it, tap on yes, and wait. The watch will disappear from the device page. It will start resetting itself. And once it's done, you will see the list of languages on the screen. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application on the phone that is paired with it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.